right, people, I thought that we would stick with our DADGAD adventures or misadventures, whichever you prefer. So you can keep your guitar tuned as it was when we learned Kashmir a couple of days ago, right? If you haven't already learned that, go and check it out. If you don't know what DADGAD is, then it's an open tuning, which sounds awesome. So you need to just drop down 3 of your strings. You detune the low one, that goes down to D, and then leave the next 3 the same, A, D, G. Then the B string goes down to A, and the E string goes down to D. So they're all going down by 2 frets, right? Now, I've done a few of these on Given to Fly, but I thought it'd be an easy one to do a strum along kind of DADGAD version, right? Because it is, you know, it's finger picky and it's quite involved, right? So I've already done a lesson for that. So if you want to learn it like that, then please go do so. I've already done a lesson for it in standard tuning as well. But I thought I'd do a strummy version just in actual DADGAD, right? So we're going to use the same chord shapes that Mike uses in the original. And if you don't yet know the proper way to play it, then this might be a nice sort of gateway to learning that one, right? So this will teach you the chord shapes. So first chord shape, 3rd finger, 10th fret on the string 2, right? What would have been the B, and then your first finger's on the what's that, 9th fret, right? I am kind of muting the 4th string, D string, right? So I would, and my thumb actually mutes the low one. So you're only hearing 4 strings. But I would start with my first finger off. So it's down, up, down. First finger on. And then off again, right? Then these 2 fingers are going to stay put. And you're just going to slide them around. So you go from the 7th fret up to the 9th. And then down 7 and 5, right? And that is up, down, down 2 frets, down another 2 frets, up, down, down, right? I mean, don't worry, this is just for your amusement, right? So do what you like, but the first part would be... Second time you go straight down to the 5th, right? You just miss out the 7th. Then you've got this. Plant your first finger on the 7th fret, covering the top 3 strings. And you can use your 3rd finger to go to the 9th fret on the, what would be the B, string 2, right? So it's 1, 2, 2. Strum as you wish there, and then that's it for the first section, right? Then when it goes into the, in fact it stays on that with the build up of the drums, right? So I think it's 4 times round while the drums build up. Then you're going to go into this next little riff, which is pretty similar to the first one. You're going to play 10th, 10th, 9th. And occasionally you can use your little finger to play that 10th fret on the top string, right? And then that same second riff. fun part, one finger chords. Put that cool fill in if you want, I'd recommend that. But the main riff is just ba-bam, bam, ba-bam, right? Whackers. So I'm covering the strings there with my right hand. Then 9-7. When you get down to the 5th fret, you're playing. I use my little finger to go to the 7th fret on the 4th string, right? Back around again. And if you want to do the flashy riff, 2, 4, 2, 0. This is all on the G. See if you can see that. Then 4th fret on the next string down, and the open G again. Pull off from the 4th fret on the D there. You can mimic, I think that's the bass that does that, so you could do like a 9th chord shape, right? Which is 3, 5, 7. Alright, if you want. And then I think that's it. Those are all the parts that you need. So just a nice quick little fun one for you. Next up, we're going to try and write our own song. I'll show you how you can just pick up a noodle in DADGAD. It's lots of fun. So we'll use the basis of this lesson and the Kashmir lesson as just a starting point, and then we'll come up with our own little chord shapes. And we're not going to worry too much about the theory, what they're called and all that sort of stuff, because frankly it should be just, you want to pick your guitar up on a Sunday morning and noodle through some stuff. So stay tuned for that. Hope you're well. See you soon. Cheers, bye bye.